Okay. Okay. Welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to read a scientific article step by step. This will help you better understand the latest research in your field. Uh, by the end, you will be more confident in navigating articles and extracting key information. So I will start first by asking you a question. So why do you think reading scientific articles is important for researchers like yourselves? Can anyone answer?
Can you repeat that?
Yeah. I'm asking about why do you think reading scientific articles is important for researchers like yourselves?
To get an idea on the topic and what research has already been done.
It's good. Good. Any answer? Any other answer? Okay. So yeah, Tanya, your answer is good. This is right. Reading scientific articles is important while making your research paper actually, uh, because you will need always to gain information about your research topic and your research idea. Even if you will not make any research paper, you should keep updated with the latest scientific articles to know all the new information about your field. Uh, so let's start by how can you read your research paper? Okay. So my first step is to while reading the research paper, highlight uh, highlight the important parts and take notes. Okay. I think it's the most important thing while reading a research paper or taking any information about it. Also, if you wanna find research papers that's related to your field, uh, you may find a lot of ones on Google or something like that. So, how can you know is it relevant to your research topic or not? First, you should skim the article. I think this part shouldn't take more than like 5 minutes or 10 minutes at all. You don't have to read in order. You can go for abstract, okay, and the headings, titles, conclusions. Then, if it's relevant to your topic, you can get back to the discussions part, reading the results, methodology, and something like that. Okay. This will help you determine if the article is relevant to your research or not. Then you might continue on introduction, pay attention of the structure, article headings and figures. Also, the figures are important because it shows like what is the research paper talk about. After skimming your article for about 5 or 10 minutes, as I said, you should grasp the vocabulary. So when you're reading the research paper, you might find some words or phrases you didn't understand. Actually, some of them you can be able to get it from the context, okay? But for others, you may need the assistance for a medical scientific dictionary or a dictionary at all or anything, okay? Uh, to have the right information or the right knowledge of the meaning because it might be like a scientific word and you will use in the research paper. After collecting and grasping the vocabulary that you didn't understand, you should identify the structure of the article. So most journals use IMRD. You will see this structure a lot. Uh, this is means like the abstract is followed by introduction, methodology, results, and discussions. These sections typically contain conventional features which you will start to recognize if you learn to look for these features. You'll begin to read the article more quickly. Uh, uh, by reading many research papers, actually your reading skill will be improved. You will not feel that bad, but like you will be able to read the research paper more quickly and efficient. Okay. Uh, let's have like a look for all structures of the research papers. Uh, the next session we took the components of the research paper, the abstract and introduction, discussions, methodology, and something and all the components of the research paper. So before diving deep into an article, it's helpful to get like a bird eye view by skimming. And also, you should know each section of the research paper, what it's role or what it adds in the research paper. So let's see the abstract. The abstracts give you a quick overview of the article. It will usually contain four pieces of information like purpose, rational study, why they did it, methodology, how they did it, the results, why they found, and the conclusion, what it means. Okay, so begin by reading the abstract to make sure that this is what you are looking for and that it will be worth your time and effort. So let's take like an example. This is a research paper, okay, from PubMed. Here is the research title. Okay, this is the abstract. You actually you will find it at the beginning of the research paper in all journals, I think. So I will give you an activity for 5 minutes to read the abstract in 2 minutes and summarize it in 2 sentences. Okay. I will send the link in the chat. Uh, is your camera on? You can see. Yeah, no, my camera is not open, but I'm sharing my screen. Okay. The link is on the chat. Please open the link. Summarize the abstract in 2 sentences. For 2 minutes, and the time started now. This is the link. Here is the link again. Okay. Skim the abstract and summarize it in 2 sentences. If you finished, write the 2 sentences on the chat. Time is finished. Okay, Tanya, thanks. Thanks for sharing. Anyone other? I will give you like 1 minute extra to finalize your summary. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What about others? Shirab, Salma, Sharmada. Uh, let's go for Tanya. Tanya wrote that how CRISPR Cas9 helps in beating genetic mutations, especially like cancer. Why? Advisable. Okay, this is good.
Uh,
Uh, okay. Do you want to add something?
no, that's it. I thought you were asking something.
Yeah, no, no problem. Okay. So RV said, so it explores the potential of CRISPR-Cas9 technology as promising therapy for cancer. Very good. It discusses about how it will work and a couple more editing technologies overall the potential of CRISPR. Yeah, I'm so happy for your answers, guys. Actually, that's what the research paper discussed. Uh, this study discusses like the use of CRISPR-Cas9 technology as a promising therapeutic approach for cancer and genetic diseases, as you said, RV, emphasizing its ability to edit genetic mutations that drive these conditions. It also highlights the challenges faced by CRISPR technology, particularly the potential for pathogens to evolve resistance and against it. So, do you get it? I think if you from your reading to the abstract, you got the whole picture of the research paper, what it will talk about, and if it will be relevant for your research paper or not. Good.
Yeah.
That's very good. Yeah. So let's go for the other section, which is the introduction. Introduction gives you a background information about the topic and sets out specific questions to be addressed by the author. You can skim through the introduction if you are already familiar with the paper's topic. Also, the introduction it presents the research question, the hypothesis, and the background information of the research paper. So I will also give you a sample to read for 3 minutes. You can skim the introduction and identify the research question and its significance. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So while reading, ask yourself what problem is being solved. Uh, I'm sorry. While reading the introduction, look for the research gap. What is the missing part in existing research? Why this study is necessary? Okay. And also, what is the research question that's being discussed in the introduction? So I will give you the link of the research paper. Actually, it's the same link, so you can go for it again and go for the introduction part and read it. Uh, I will send it again also. Yeah, here is it. I know it's the introduction is very big, but just you shouldn't read each word, but like skim shows introduction. Just pick up the idea and the research question.
Hi, sorry. So the task is to find the research question, right? After reading the introduction.
Yeah, skim the introduction for 3 minutes. Pick up the idea and research question and why it's important or significant. Okay,
All right, yeah.
good. Okay, RV, thanks. Can you also give me the like the significance of the research paper or the research question, why it's important? I hope all to work on those activities, please. Thanks, RV, for sharing. Britannia, good. What about others? Yeah, can you please tell me why the research paper is important or address an important topic or something like that? Its significance? Okay, all the answers. So, good go. Okay, Canada. Thanks. That's a good answer. Also, please send the significance why addressing this topic is important. let's go for RV question. So RV said that the research question is, what is the potential of CRISPR-Cas9 technology as a novel therapeutic approach for cancer and other genetic diseases, given the limitations for CRISPR treatments and the advancement in genome editing technologies? Okay, that's good, RV. The significance is the key idea are limitations of current cancer treatments, importance of understanding cancer biology, advancements in technology, CRISPR being a promising tool, and need for further research. Actually, your answer is very, very good, Harvey, and thanks for that. Tanya says the research question is why Cas9 has turned out to be effective therapy for cancer. Very good. Jarmada, can CRISPR-Cas9 technology effectively target and edit and oncogenes or tumor suppressor genes to halt the progression of cancer? Okay, the significance it's vital to find an available cure cancer which is fatal, widespread. Testing different technologies is a necessity. Your answer is always very good also. I think Charmada, your significance is not close, but your answers, well, the answer is always very good, and thanks for that. And, okay, well, thanks, RV. It's very good. Okay, so let me tell you what is the research question of this research paper. The research question is how can CRISPR-Cas9 technology be effectively utilized to treat cancer and genetic diseases, and what are the associated challenges? So your answer is very, very, very close to it, which is very good. And just skimming this introduction, which is very big, and I think you made it in 4 or 5 minutes, and you get very close to the actual research question. So I think it's very good for you as a start. I hope you will do a great research question and great research paper in the future. Okay, so the significance of this research paper was this research is significant as it explores innovative methods for genome editing that could lead to more effective treatments for conditions that currently have limited therapeutic options. So I'm very proud of you all. Also, let's go for the other section. Okay, the meeting will close after 6 minutes, but I will resend the link on the WhatsApp group again. Okay. So let's go for the other section. The other section is methods. This section gives technical details of how the experiments were carried out and serves as a how-to manual if you want to replicate the same experiment as the authors. So what is meant by that? The method section, it's crucial because it tells you how research paper was conducted. Okay, knowing the methodology helps you assess the study's reliability or something like that. Okay, so you should focus on how the study was designed, what experiments were performed, what is the tools that are used in this research paper, if they made like an experiment in a lab or something like that. Also, you should ask yourself while reading the methodology, are these methods appropriate for the research question or not? Okay. So this is another section you may want to only skim unless you wish to identify the method used by the researchers or if you intend to replicate the research yourself. Let's go for the results. The results section are the meat of the scientific article and contain all of the data from experiments. You should spend time looking at all graphs, pictures, tables. These figures will contain most of the data. So I think okay, there's one join. Okay, no problem. Uh, yeah, we were talking about the risk. Okay. The result section contains the data, often presented on figures, tables, as I said. Your job is to understand what the data shows, not just the numbers, but the overall trends. Make relations between numbers if some variable increase, uh, specific changes occur, or something like that. Okay. Uh, so don't just read the results, but interpret them. Uh, what do the figures suggest about the hypothesis? Uh, and also, like while reading the results, ask for how will the results answer the original research question that was mentioned before in the introduction. Okay, all of you got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Uh, the meeting will close now, and I will resend the link on Zoom again. Okay, on the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay.